thank you for joining us. I'm Leaf.
This is Jim.
And we are here to talk to you about our equalizer circuit. We have input coming from the phone, going to channel A of the oscilloscope, channel B of the oscilloscope hooked up to the output of the circuit. Also hooked up to the output of the circuit is the audio amplifier circuit.
Well, from the input, we go into an amplification circuit, which just simply is a negative feedback loop. The combination of resistors here and here determine that feedback, and we set the gain to about 10 coming out of the op amp.
From the input amplification, we have 3 active filters, a high pass, mid pass, and low pass that allows us to cut the signal into 3 separate parts.
After we split up that signal here, we send it through our diode, which in turn goes into the transistor here. The diode prevents negative voltage from the sinusoidal signal from ending up in our transistor. When there's a voltage at the base of the transistor, current is allowed to flow through these LEDs if there is a signal present that we filtered out at this point.
The LEDs now are indicating the power from each filter. Now this potentiometer allows us to control the total gain of the circuit, make it louder or slightly quieter. And these potentiometers allow us to filter or allow more of each active filter to pass. If I turn each of these down, I get no signal. If I turn the low pass all the way up, I get primarily bass. If I turn the mid-range all the way up, I get all mid-range. If I turn the treble all the way up, I get all high range. If I tune them appropriately, I get a fairly good representation of the overall signal.